everyone. Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we've got something exciting to explore for all the kitchen enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the KRAUS Allyn industrial pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet. If you're looking to elevate both the style and functionality of your kitchen, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. The KRAUS Allyn industrial pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It features a high-arc spout that provides ample clearance for filling pots and pans, and a pull-down sprayer that makes it easy to clean dishes and rinse fruits and vegetables. The faucet is also equipped with a single-handle lever that makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature. The Allyn faucet is made from durable stainless steel and is available in a variety of finishes, including chrome, matte black, and spot-free stainless steel. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be sure that it will last for years to come. Here are some of the key features of the KRAUS Allyn industrial pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet. Transitional industrial style. The faucet combines a classic silhouette with rugged, industrial details, like bolt-shaped accents, and a flat handle with diamond knurling. This gives it a warm, vintage look that's perfect for both traditional and modern kitchens. Pull-down sprayhead with reach technology. The sprayhead extends and retracts easily, giving you a long reach for filling pots and cleaning large dishes. The swivel adapter also allows for a full range of motion, so you can easily clean all around your sink. Dual function sprayer. The sprayer has two settings: aerated stream for everyday tasks and powerful spray for rinsing dishes. High arc design. The high arc design provides plenty of clearance for filling even tall pots and pitchers. 360 swivel spout. The spout swivels a full 360 degrees, making it easy to reach all areas of your sink. Spot-free finish. The faucet is available in a variety of spot-free finishes that resist fingerprints and water spots, making it easy to keep clean. Heavy-duty construction. The faucet is made with a metal body and durable braided nylon water supply lines, so you can be sure it will last for years to come. Easy installation. The faucet comes with all the hardware you need for a quick and easy installation. Here are some additional things to consider when purchasing the KRAUS Allyn industrial pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet. The faucet is available in a variety of finishes, so be sure to choose one that will match your kitchen decor. The faucet requires a single-hole installation, so be sure that your sink has a compatible countertop. The faucet has a flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute, so it is not the most water-efficient option on the market. The KRAUS Allyn industrial pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional faucet for their kitchen. It is well-made, durable, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Here are some pros and cons for the KRAUS Allyn industrial pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet. Pros: stylish and modern design. Pull-down sprayer with 2 spray modes. High arc spout. Easy to install. Spot-resistant finish. Durable construction. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons: little bit expensive. Sprayer magnet. Water pressure. Overall, the KRAUS Allyn industrial pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet is a great choice for homeowners who are looking for a stylish, functional, and durable faucet. However, it is important to consider the price and the potential for water pressure issues before making a purchase. If you are looking for a stylish and functional kitchen faucet, the KRAUS Allyn Industrial Pull-Down Single Handle Kitchen Faucet is a great option. It is well made, durable, and comes with a lifetime warranty. However, be sure to consider the finish, installation requirements, and flow rate before making your purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful DIY tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about installing a kitchen faucet, feel free to leave a comment below. I would also like to add that it is always a good idea to consult a professional plumber if you are not comfortable installing a kitchen faucet yourself. They will have the experience and expertise to get the job done right, and they can also help you troubleshoot any problems you may encounter. Thanks again for watching.